Hello, my fellow fabulous women over 50. Today, let's celebrate our passion for life and how it leads us to amusing predicaments. Gone are the days of teetering on stilettos, now it's all about chic yet comfortable footwear. I recently attended a wedding where I swapped my high heels for stylish flats. Of course, it was also the day I discovered that one can indeed dance too energetically to YMCA. Result? One lost shoe and a Cinderella moment at midnight. Ever tried taking up a new hobby and ended up in a pickle? My attempt at yoga led to a position I named the tangled pretzel. My instructor said it wasn't an official pose, but I'm pretty sure it'll catch on. Being over 50 in a tech-driven world is like being a child in a candy store. So many shiny things, so little understanding. Last week, I thought I was on mute during a Zoom call and regaled my cat with a dramatic rendition of I Will Survive. My colleagues' applause at the end was unexpected yet appreciated. Recently, I packed for a tropical vacation and realized upon arrival that I'd forgotten my swimsuit. But a passion for life means improvisation. A scarf turned sarong became my beach attire. Trend-setting? Absolutely. For the single ladies over 50, dating can be quite the experience. A friend went on a date with someone who said they were into retro vibes. Turns out they meant they didn't believe in online banking. With age comes wisdom, they say. And while that's true, sometimes we have our unique moments. Like when I spent 20 minutes looking for my glasses, only to realize they were on my head. Or when I wrote a shopping list and then left it on the kitchen counter. But hey, spontaneity is the spice of life, right? Embracing the second act of life with enthusiasm, we women over 50 are a testament to the fact that age is just a number and passion knows no bounds. Whether it's chasing dreams, laughing at our own quirks, or setting unintentional fashion trends, we're here, we're fabulous, and we wouldn't have it any other way. Ready to live your best life? We invite you to join the Bloomer Brigade community of women like you. Click the link to make today your first day of a new you.